taking that point, Maria, we also play out some of the key excerpts of what Tejashwi Yadav said in this very crucial news conference, after which I go back to my colleagues Maria and Piyush.
हमारा तो जॉइंट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी हो गया। इससे पहले कई राउंड हम लोग साथ भी बैठे, लेकिन हम लोगों ने नीतीश जी के साथ जो अन्याय हो रहा है एनडीए में, एक बार भी कोई भी जॉइंट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं की गई है और ना ही ऑफिशियली रूप से मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा घोषित किया गया है। तो हम लोग तो शुरू दिन से ही कह रहे थे कि भाजपा के लोग नीतीश जी को दोबारा मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बनाएंगे और इस पे और किसी ने मुहर नहीं लगाया है, बल्कि अमित शाह जी ने एक बार नहीं कई बार इस बात को बोला है कि विधायक दल की जो संख्या होगी वो तय करेगा। लेकिन अमित शाह जी से हम जानना चाहेंगे, इस बार आप ये बात कह रहे हैं, पिछले बार तो ये बात नहीं थी। यह लगातार 20 साल से एनडीए की सरकार है, हमेशा से मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा आप लोगों ने घोषित किया। आखिर क्या कारण है कि इस बार आप नीतीश कुमार जी का मुख्यमंत्री के चेहरे का नाम का घोषणा क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Maria, I want to come back to you to understand how is the NDA now possibly preparing their counter, given the fact that Tejashwi has passed the buck on the NDA, saying who is your CM face. In fact, he also went on to say that injustice is being done to Nitish in the NDA, and most likely NDA will not make him the chief minister if they win.
Look, Swesha, in the context of Bihar, I think one of the, of course, the spotlight is being put again by Mahagathbandhan on the caste factor. Because in Bihar, people vote on caste lines. But there is an important mix in this cocktail or mocktail of election issues, which, if I were to say, which is of direct benefit transfers. I've been meeting with Jivika Didis. They are the biggest ambassadors of Nitish Kumar's welfare programs. And with 10,000 rupees being disbursed into the accounts of close to 75 lakh women of Bihar, will that be a game changer? Will that be seen as women going with the fact that they have got money in their account already? Or will they be ready to give Tejashwi a chance when Tejashwi only yesterday during the course of his press conference said that if he were to come to power, if Mahagathbandhan were to come to power, then he will ensure that women, Jivika Didis, become a permanent job. They get permanent jobs and they also get a salary of 30,000 rupees per month. These are promises. Will they be going with someone that they have trusted so far, election after election? So I sense that the NDA may not be ready to just about get into that debate of who will be the chief ministerial face. They will say that this election is being fought under the Netritva or leadership of Nitish Kumar. But what happens post-elections is something that they may not be getting into. But at the moment, they'll be talking about the direct benefit transfers and the multiple schemes which have been announced for various sections, be it the youth, be it the, top-up which has happened also for the pension seekers in Bihar. So I think they would try and play on their pitch, which is of welfareism, which is of direct benefit transfer, because they realize that that's a pitch of advantage to NDA. You speak to women in various districts. I did speak to some Jivika Didis some time back. They were speaking about Nitish Kumar very favorably. They were talking about what all he has done and how he has consistently catered to their needs ever since he came to power 20 years ago. So one scheme after the other, be it the girls on cycle, you see it across districts of Bihar, and that's such a pleasant sight. As a Bihari, I really like young girls on bicycles going to their schools and colleges. It's a sign of empowerment, which started in 2006. Then there are women who were, 50% reservation for women in panchayats. Then he had gone ahead and banned alcohol, Sharab Bandi as it was called in 2015. So multiple announcements which had happened by Nitish Kumar in the last 20 years. NDA would like to play on that pitch. He'll be talking about what he has done in the last 20 years rather than getting into the caste dynamics, because it is now going to be that factor which will be playing, because Tejaswi Yadav's Mahagathbandhan has understood that welfareism may not be an advantage for them, although he had announced one job per family just 2 weeks ago, hoping that that would be a counter to 10,000 rupees. That may not happen, but certainly, when it is about this caste angle, he may find some takers certainly in the run-up to elections.
Right, fair point, Maria. But Tejaswi Yadav certainly questioning the governance of Nitish Kumar, saying that the people of Bihar are ready for change. What happens, of course, we'll know where the people stand. But for the moment, thank you for putting the latest into context for us.